Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Feta with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. I hope you've been well. For today's recipe, it is pasta salad. It is super simple Greek Greek dressing with oregano pasta salad. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So bring enough water to boil. This is seasoned with salt and 1 tablespoon of peanut oil. So the pasta we're gonna use today is pasta farfalle. I hope I said the correct way. Both types. You can use any kind of pasta, but this is the one that I grabbed from the store. Once the water is boiling, drop in the pasta and we're gonna cook this for about 10 minutes. And once a while you want to stir it so that no pasta stick on the bottom. Strain and drain the cooked pasta. This is al dente. The packaging says 10 minutes, but I cooked it for 13. Place the pasta into a large bowl and drizzle a little bit with light olive oil so it doesn't stick, while we cool it down slightly before we add the other ingredients. Once cooled down, add in whatever you wish. This is gonna be garbanzo and feta cheese, also round cheese, and then you can season it however you like, with lime or lemon. That will be the simplest. You can add cilantro, but this I'm gonna use bottled Greek dressing. And this is the feta, and we're just gonna crumble it, drain it from the water and then crumble it onto our pasta like so. And I have a jar of, okay, don't love, but I don't know how to pronounce it, bocconcini. I'm gonna add it as well. I also have some cherry tomatoes if you like, or paprika would be refreshing, or cubed apples. Unfortunately, when it's apple, it's gonna kind of browning, so I'd rather eat the apples. And the simplest way is using the bottled dressing. So this is Greek feta and oregano, and we're just gonna put it and adjust the flavoring to your liking, and then mix them to completely combine and flavor the whole mixture, the whole pasta, and your super simple pasta salad is ready. I like eating as is. Again, if you have like cilantro or other flavoring you like, you can add anything to your pasta salad. There you go, super simple pasta salad